Chapter 1, Plants Around Us. Warm up. Tick the plants you have seen. Let's start. Plants are found almost everywhere on the earth, in the water and on the land. Plants are found in different sizes and shapes. They make their own food and give us many things like food and clothing. They make our environment beautiful and help us to breathe. Interesting facts. At night, plants breathe like us. They take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, whereas during the day, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Types of plants. Very big, tall and strong plants like neem, gulmohar, banyan and mango are called trees. They have a thick, brown, woody stem called the trunk. Most trees live for many years. Gulmohar, banyan, rose, hibiscus, grass, mint. Small bushy plants like rose, hibiscus and henna are called shrubs. They are smaller than trees and have hard woody stems. They have many branches. They also live for many years. Very small plants like spinach, grass and mint have a thin, weak stem and live only for one season. They are called herbs. Pea plant, grapevine. Weak plants such as pea plant, grapevine and money plant have very thin stem and need support to stand. They are called climbers. Pea plant, grapevine. Interesting facts. Banana plant is not a tree, it is a herb. Weak plants such as pumpkins, muskmelons and watermelons have thin and soft stems. They grow along the ground and are called creepers. Watermelon creeper. Where do plants grow? Plants grow almost everywhere on land and in or near water. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Types of terrestrial plants. Desert plants. Cactus and date palm grow in hot, dry deserts where there is very little or no rainfall. The leaves of cactus are reduced to spines to prevent the loss of water by transpiration. The spines of the cactus store water. Cactus. Plants in the hills. Pine and spruce are plants that grow in the hills, where the climate is cold and dry. Hilly areas are covered with coniferous trees that are tall and have needle-like leaves. Spruce. Plants in marshy areas. Plants that grow in marshy areas where the soil is slicky and waterlogged are called mangroves. These plants have breathing roots that grow above the soil to take in air. Mangrove roots. Types of aquatic plants. The plants that grow in water or near water are called aquatic plants. Floating plants. Duckweed and wolffia are floating plants. Floating plant, fixed plant, submerged plants. Fixed plants. Lotus and water lily are fixed plants. They are fixed to the waterbed. Submerged plants. Hydrilla and tape grass are submerged plants. Some unusual plants. Molds, mushrooms and yeast are non-green plants. They get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. Some plants eat insects. A Venus flytrap catches an insect between its leaves. The pitcher plant and sundew also eat insects. Mushroom, Venus flytrap. Uses of plants. Plants are important for us. They are our green friends. Plants give us food in the form of vegetables, fruits, pulses, cereals, spices, coffee, sugar and oil. Plants give us rubber, paper and oil. Plants give us fibers such as cotton and jute. We make clothes from fiber. We make many medicines from plants such as neem, tulsi, and eucalyptus. We use wood from trees such as teak for making furniture, toys, and paper. Wood from trees is also used as fuel for fire and light. What do we get from trees? Some more uses of plants. Plants keep the air clean by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Plants keep the air clean by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Plants are used for landscaping and making the environment beautiful. Plants give us shade. Plants are home to many birds and animals. New plants. There are many new plants, fruits, and vegetables available in the market nowadays that were not there when our grandparents were children. Broccoli, vegetable, quinoa, fruit, soya bean, crop, and tulips, flowers are some examples of new plants. Many plants were grown in other countries and brought to India. Plants are important part of our lives. We should take care of them. Broccoli, lychee has come from China. Kiwi has come from New Zealand. Quinoa has come from California. Find out what would happen if there were no plants on the earth. Vocabulary: fiber, a thread which is used to make clothes. Carbon dioxide, a colorless gas consumed by plants. Oxygen, a colorless gas produced by plants. Recap: plants are found almost everywhere on the land and in water. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers are different types of plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in or near water are called aquatic plants. Plants give us many things. We should take care of plants. Exercise time. A. Fill in the blanks. First, dash have many branches. Shrubs have many branches. Second, dash grow along the ground. Creepers grow along the ground. Third, we make furniture from dash. We make furniture from trees. Fourth, kiwi has come from dash. Kiwi has come from New Zealand. Fifth, lychee has come from dash. Lychee has come from China. B. Tick the correct option. First, where does lotus grow? First, mountain. Second, water. Third, trees. Answer: water. Second, which one of these is a shrub? First, gulmohar. Second, rose. Third, mint. Answer: rose. Third, which one of these is a tree? First, mango. Second, hibiscus. Third, rose. Answer: mango. Fourth, which one of these is an insect eater? First, moths. Second, mushroom. Third, pitcher plant. Answer: pitcher plant. C. Answer the following questions briefly. First, name a herb. Answer: mint. Second, which types of plants grow in a desert? Answer: desert plants grow in a desert, for example, cactus and date palm. D. Answer the following questions. First, what is a tree? Answer. Very big, tall and strong plants are called trees such as neem, gulmohar, etc. Second, what are herbs? Answer. Very small plants that have a thin, weak stem and live only for one season are called herbs. Third, what are terrestrial plants? Answer. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Fourth, what are aquatic plants? Answer. The plants that grow in water or near water are called aquatic plants. Fifth, how are plants useful to us? Answer. Plants are useful to us because they give us food, rubber, paper, oil, fiber, medicines, wood, etc.